Hi, welcome back. So in last video, actually we were discussing after the budget session. On budget day, Nifty and Bank Nifty made a big move to side due to the budget. It was positive, but after that the credit use news on Adani stocks pulled down the market. We had a big doji kind of bar. So till from that day onwards, actually market recovered, but it was still stuck in a range, and already we had been seeing like Nifty still stuck inside this trend line. So the height of like 18,000 on the upper side and 17,300 on the downside, this range has been traded for the last 10 days, and today Nifty has actually given a breakout. So 18,000 has been clearly taken a breakout today. So you can see the trend line from the all-time high. So Nifty has clearly broken out of the range. Now from here on, it is a massive breakout. Any dip has to be used to buy again positionally. Expecting a target of 18,265 to even 18,000, further 18,600. So currently this up move, we can keep a stop loss like around 7,900 or even 800. So that could be the support zones. Only if Nifty is coming below inside this trend line, it will be looking like a fake up move kind of a scenario or a failed breakout. So unless we are not breaking below 7,900 or even 800, the target for the Nifty will be around 18,265. And so this is for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has been very trading in a very narrow range, more than Nifty actually. Last 10 days, Bank Nifty has been very narrow, just staying around 41,500. You can see even in the line chart, 10 days Bank Nifty is trading around 41,500. So that's very unusual. So that's a very strong consolidation zone also. So like a huge consolidation and ready for a bigger breakout. So actually in closing basis, we are seeing a small breakout, but still it's not a decisive breakout like what Nifty did today. So once Bank Nifty crosses above 41,800, we could see a straight away a rally to 42,300 or even 42,500 zone, and Bank Nifty will be resisting around this trend line. So till then Bank Nifty will be very bullish. So you can keep a stop loss or a support zone at 41,500 or even 41,150 are the downside support zones. So clearly both the index are in a verge of a breakout, and Reliance Industries has been actually contributing well for the Nifty. Reliance Industries is looking too strong. So after a huge consolidation, Reliance Industries is also looking at going up. And the most important point, India VIX is crashing down. So this volatility index, India VIX is down below 13. So that means the volatility will be there in intraday, but there won't be any big upswing and downswing in the trend. So as like matter of fact, the range has been broken. So from now on, if Nifty is not giving back again, coming below 17,800, we could expect smooth trending market on the upper side. And if we take the global triggers, the European market and US market, everything has actually they are also consolidating and going up. In fact, all the data is also out. The major data is the Fed meeting, RBI meeting, US inflation data, everything is always already been out. So clearly the rest of the week, we have one more week in this February series before expiry. So I think this week could be a very interesting week for the bulls. So there is no data, there is no major event, entire global market is on an upswing, and particularly Nifty and Bank Nifty has given out of the breakout. So it should be an interesting upcoming week for the bulls. So let's see. Hope Nifty is able to give a consistent rally. The follow-up buying and the follow-up selling has been missing for a long time. So expect a decent rally this week and the next week also. It should be an interesting day. Tomorrow we have another weekly expiry. and a lot of put writing has been also happening. So it should be an interesting week ahead till this February series month's end. So let's see how the bulls are going to make this breakout as a massive one, or there is as usual again a failed breakout and Nifty is coming down inside the range. So let's wait and see for it.